you get notified every time I upload. Today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make your stacker jeans for those online shoppers. You know those jeans that you buy that can't go past your ankles? This video is for you. Make sure you order 2 pairs of jeans, the same jeans, if you can. I will also be leaving the jeans that I am doing this project on in the description if you're interested. Let's get right into it. So here I will be using the 2 pairs of jeans that I told you guys about, and then I will be lining these 1 pair of the jeans up and cutting above the knee. And once I'm done with that, I will come right back to you guys. Okay, so I'm all done with that, and now I am moving on to the next part. Okay, so this is the part where I cut off the tip of the jeans. So when I get ready to sew and then apply them on, I won't have a hard time putting them on. So now that that is out the way, I will be turning the jeans inside out and then lining them up. You want to make sure the smaller part of the jeans, well, the skinniest part of the jeans is at the end where you will be sewing, and leave the wide part at the top. So here I am just making sure they're lined up properly so I can get ready to sew them in place. And when you want to sew, when you're sewing, you want to make sure that you don't sew both of the sides together, so then you won't be able to put your legs through. So I'm just separating the bottom part where so that I won't sew the jeans together. If that makes any sense. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. So now I am all done sewing, and this is how one part of the jeans is looking. I will be doing the other side off camera. And this, oops, don't cover my toes, y'all. This is the finished results, and hope this video was useful.